Now see here, a pin lying on a table is viewed from a distance of 1 meter. A glass slab of thickness 12 centimeter and refractive index 1.5 meter is placed on the pin. What is the distance of the image of the pin from the eye? Now see, suppose this is the table and a pin is lying over at this point, this is your suppose pin, and you are viewing from this point, there is a eye here and this distance is 1 meter. Now, when you place a glass slab of thickness 12 centimeter, what will be the distance of the image from the eye? So, as you place glass slab, this pin is at the bottom of the glass slab, it will appear to be raised. So, because of that the image of the pin will be somewhere here. So, we can calculate this much distance or this is shift. So, how much this image has shifted or this one is seen here. So, how much is this shift? Shift can be calculated, x is equal to t into 1 minus 1 upon mu, already we have done this formula. So, x is equal to 12 into 1 minus 1 upon 1.5. So, that is 12 into 0.5 divided by 1.5. So, that is here this cancel, that is 3 and 4, that is 4 centimeter. So, x is coming here, this is the 4 centimeter. So, this image is seen actually above the 4 centimeter from the bottom of this one glass slab. So, now what is this remaining distance? This remaining distance is actually from here to here, this is 100 minus 4, that is here 96 centimeter, that means that is 0.96 meter. So, now the position of the image from the eye is 0.96 meter.